Right, end of the vlog was... Hang on. This is the worst intro ever. I'm editing the last vlog right now. That is uploaded. You've seen that. This is a continuation. Yes, baby. Let's take some heartburn pills because I've got heartburn. And I think I'm dressed to impress tonight. So, let's go lie on our stomachs. Let's get piss. And let's get straight into the video. So, let's do it. We'll get the whole bar on them. Malibu. Is it good? And red slushy.
I think you've
Try it.
You started to huh?
Try it, it's good. It's really good. It is banging. That doesn't taste alcoholic and that is very dangerous.
I love the way you didn't even do so when you said it.
No,
it's obviously been ordered before.
I'm telling you, chavs love it. Chavs love Malibu and slushy, it's a fact.
You're up London.
I think your place are really good. Fun, yeah.
Well, this place, Giggling Squid, also name them please. I've just had what they called drunk ribs. Unbelievable. It's the best thing I've put in my mouth in the last, I don't know, since I went to Bangkok. No. It's the best thing I've put in my mouth in like 20 years. Unbelievable. Get your ass down here. Also, I've had a few JDs and Cokes. We're up to 3 JDs and Cokes, a few beers at the show, a few points at the afters, and a few Malibu slushies. We are nowhere near drunk yet, but we're getting there. We're getting tipsy. Is this going to be the best pina colada in my life?
I hope that. I hope so.
It's fucking good, isn't it? It's a spiced pina colada.
Just
I didn't even hit record.
Top it up. Shut the fuck up.
Look how floral it is. It's quite nice. What are you drinking?
Old fashioned.
Is that old fashioned or is that new fashioned?
No, this is old fashioned. The last one was new fashioned.
This is actually a pina colada, but it's not. It's a smoothie colada, which I've been told is not a creamy one. As much.
No coconut.
As I want to cream. I think that's the wrong way up. Right. Let's go get in bed. Come on. Let's go get up on the top bunk. Oh, I'm glad it's got plastic sheets because I'm probably going to piss myself. Good morning, guys. Do you know what? The hangover is not that bad. Sounds like it, but it's not. I literally just woke up, haven't spoke yet. So, I'm going to go down for breakfast because I don't think anyone else is going for breakfast. Oh, just awake. I'm awake. So, let's go get some scram. Then we'll get to the show. Feels good. We're going up seconds. Don't care. I'm hungover, I'll do what I want. Well, it weren't a gazelle, it was a scimitar horned oryx. We are here, the show has opened, but because it's only sort of like the first hour, basically you get 3 bacon butties right there. Now, what you'll do is you'll watch people get a bacon butty, and then they'll just stand there, and they'll stare, because it's very attractive stand, and the TV's behind. So, let's see if we can get a couple of bucket watchers, as I've now named them. Right, so you've seen all of this on the last one. Let me show you what else they do. Drip stoppers. They got loads of different flexi connectors. They do these rubber drain down hoses, 10 metre ones. These are the anti-kink ones. and then obviously it's the bucket man with all the buckets. There's this one as well called the Jack, which is a backpack, so you can use it, you can hang it up because it's got the detachable straps. 2 connections, 2 buckets, it folds over and then you can wear it as a backpack and carry all your tools in it. So there's the drip stoppers in action, look. The tanks, put them in and then you twist them. Then when you twist it, locks them. But perfect if you're just taking out a washing machine or a dishwasher. You can see, ain't going nowhere. But all the show deals today, you don't need to see that. Anyway, there you go, look, they're on Amazon. Search PvP Innovations on Amazon, and then if you're interested in this stuff, you can then go and get it. You can get your little pump, you can get your little rigs, and you can get yourself a handy folding bucket. Here we go, here's one. There's a few over there. They get their bacon butters, and then they just sort of mill about looking at the stand. So, I told you, you just eat bacon butters and stare at buckets. There's nothing else I look at. Right, so poor old Andy's working on ill, but great men come up with great solutions.
Improvisation, those plumbers are the champions of that, aren't they?
Found one of these batty boys hanging out over by the old electrical bit, so I mean we had to give him a little bit of shit, me and Pete.
Is this the old folding bucket?
Yeah, man. It's where is it? Right, having 5 minutes to myself. Oh look, there's a PvP van. I have brought something today. You can guess. Pause the video, have a little guess what you think it is. I say pause the video, I don't know if I'm going there straight away, but at the end of the show, I'm picking it up off the stand. Display. I didn't get any discount, but they give me something free with it because they've given everyone free stuff with it. But we'll have a look, and then I'll go round and film some shorts for YouTube. So, in fact, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna tell him I'm off. I'm going to film some shorts, film the show, and then I'll take you lot for a little gander, walk around, see what you think of Tool Fair. Oh, before I carry on doing my shorts, let me just show you what I did actually buy. What do you reckon it is? It's a Velocity bag. There's too many people in the way, so I'll just show you on the way out when I pick it up. Right, it's been a nice little couple of days away. Nice little break, nice to catch up with some mates. So, that is the end of the little vlog, the little adventure down to Tool Fair. Selling buckets, riveting fun. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm not even going to ask for a subscribe today, just a thumbs up. If you can leave a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that one. If you would like a handy folding bucket, I will see if I can do a link in the description. Also, if you go over to my Instagram, it will be in my Instagram bio. You can click the link there to purchase it. I didn't realise they'd actually put some aside to put on the website. So, although we've sold out today, there are still some available on Amazon. So, there we go. Code word, if you made it to the very end, again, is going to be big bucket. So if you put big bucket in your comments, I appreciate that. I know you've made it to the very end. Right, I shall see you Monday with some actual plumbing content. Right, peace out.